we are going to talk about building your future-proof stack for MLOps. Why is this important? Why should we care about this thing? As teams start to ramp up their AI and ML capabilities, the biggest challenge by far they face is deploying their models into production. Especially for machine learning engineers and data scientists, creating a robust MLOps stack is critical for scalable and repeatable deployment processes and for scalable and repeatable MLOps practices. So in this webinar, we're going to be talking about what is MLOps, what are the components of a robust stack, what are some of the challenges teams face when scaling their models into production, and the importance of monitoring both data and code for your models. So what does it mean to future-proof something? Well, in software, future-proofing means you're designing a product, service, or process that could still be used in the future, even when technology changes. And because machine learning is when code meets data, it means that we trek a different journey to maturity than our friends in traditional software development. Because data is always changing and your systems have to be built to address these changes.